Do you guys know the peace that comes with being with your partner? Kupholiwe nje akutatazelwa and awupanic. Umuntu wakhulele la sifubeni, but you're still able to take your phone ungene ka WhatsApp abhekile utexta umngane wakho uphendula ama message ngaphandle kwenkinga, because you're not scared ukuthi uzobona sekugcwala ama hearts. You know, you're not scared ukuthi ngizothi ngithi ngivula WhatsApp lo muntu engimchithela naye angibhalele. Do you know that peace? Very peaceful, and that thing only comes with loyalty. You can only experience that when you're loyal to your partner. You know, le peace eza nokuthi mfethu ushiya ifoni yakho ungayilokhanga, uhambe mfethu uye e-shop uyothenga isinko. You know, ungayilokhanga kukuye umuntu wakho uthi uyayithatha or akayithathi, kukuye, awupanic. Noma ngangena ka TikTok, ka Instagram, noma ngangena kuphi. You know, ayikho into azoyithola. You understand?